Alrighty guys, it is Sunday, September 10th, 6:35 p.m. As you can obviously tell, our winds are picking up here. My roommate stopped over. It's really windy. Rain's coming down sideways, but not a lot of it yet. The street hasn't flooded yet. Normally our street right here, we got under about 2.5 feet of water. So the drainage system's handling it still. They have a curfew going into effect at 7 p.m. But so far, not pounding rain yet. And man, it's cold out here. Alright, that's it for right now. Alright guys, the neighbor let her dogs go out to have a bit of fun because they've been cooped up all day. So we're playing catch with the neighbor's dog in a hurricane. Come here, Zine! Come here, girl, bring it here! Bring it here! Yeah, we're idiots. Alrighty guys, we're venturing back outside here. My roommate just left. The dogs got put away. I'm heading over to the neighbors. He called us from Gainesville where he's at with his family and said he's got a bunch of perishable food in the freezer that he wants us to eat, especially his shrimp cocktail. And I am not going to argue with that. Okay. Alright guys, I don't know how much more longer I can film with this camera because it doesn't have like a big light for night filming. But it's about 7:30 p.m. now on Sunday the 10th. This is out of our backyard. Just wanted to show you the trees moving. Oh, there's a shot. There's a shot of the one that crashed down right there and broke down. So I'm outside getting wet. Oh yeah, I'm glad that thing fell that way. Alright. Hey gang, it is 8:04 p.m. here on Sunday night the 10th. We just lost our cable and our power for the third or fourth time flickering. It's coming back on, but it's been doing that quite a bit. And I don't know if you can see the rain pounding through our window here. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but it is hammering. I'll go out in the garage and see if I can film a little better. All right, we're standing at the edge of the garage door here. That light right there is our flag light. But you can see how the bushes are moving. It's getting pretty windy. The rain's beating pretty hard, but it's not like super heavy rain because our street's still not flooded yet. Everything seems to be holding up okay. But all our storms seem to come in the middle of the night or at nighttime, so you can't film them. But there's a nice big wind gust. All right, I'm going to actually go upload these onto the computer. Okay. Hey gang, our cable came back on. This is a still shot of one of our local news stations. This is Naples, which is a little bit over 100 miles south of us. They have a lot of mobile homes there. Folks, that's some pretty bad devastation right there. This home's just about completely wiped out. But you can see all the roof debris. You can see all the flooding. These are not lakes, these are roads. Yeah, some of these houses got hit really bad, guys. Our mobile homes don't do well in storms. Let me show you some other footage. Alright, now they're showing the amount of power outages we have in the area already. So you total those up right now, we're at almost 200,000 in this area. Alright guys, I'm filming through our front screen door. That light there is our flag light. Normally we have a cover on that to point up to the flag, but we took the aluminum cover off. I don't know if you can hear the wind. You can see the rain coming down in sheets in front of the light, but I can hear the wind also. Alright. Okay gang, here's the shot I've been waiting for. It is 8:19 p.m. Wow, the wind's sucking our front door. Okay, here's the city of Tampa. This is Hillsborough County for the city of Tampa. This is Pinellas County. This is the most populated, densely populated per square mile county in the state of Florida. Alright? Here's Naples. This is the west coast of Florida. That's the east coast of Florida. Hurricane came up through here, came up through the Keys, down here. Picked up some strength in this little bit of water right here. Came on land right around here. And fortunately, they thought it was going to go right up our coast and come right over us. Fortunately, it's going a teeny bit to the east. So there's the eye right now. That's the eye of the hurricane right now. And these are the wraparound bands. The red is intense rain, yellow is heavy rain, blue is light rain. So as you can see, we're just above, we're probably that little teeny line right there is where we're at. So as you can see, we're already in the bands, but this is supposed to come up right through there for us. And my neighbor evacuated up here, but he's going to be getting it too. So originally 5 days ago, when I made the first part of my first video, the hurricane was supposed to go right up the east coast here, but it's right here now at 8:19 p.m. It's suspected to get to us around here around 2 o'clock this morning. So from here to here, we're going to be getting all the winds. Alright guys. Alrighty guys, I'm out on the pool patio. I'm sure you can hear that wind. It is really picked up. It is just super intense. I just heard a transformer go a second ago. We still have power, but I did just hear a transformer arc. There comes the neighbor's lights on. Yeah, you can really hear that wind blowing, guys. It's whipping through our screen. Let me see if I can get around here. Pool patio starting to fill up with water. Oh yeah, that's wet and cold. Okay. Alright, I'm here at the corner of the house. There's the trees blowing. That's the front bushes again. Okay, there you go. There's the shot I wanted. Okay, alright, it's getting pretty intense. I'm going to go in, I'm getting soaked, and I'm going to upload this so it's almost in real time. Alright.